It's the return of the Loch Ness Kaiju, methods of getting rid of you. Pitiful individuals, dump them off. Now let's play with you, screw it. I am the harbinger, graphic and executions. Tying up all the looses, no molecule of this human curiosity. Kill the kitty, what a pity for really. My drilly is to send you to orbital alter realties. Somewhere between hell and heaven, no question. If backwoods called, no, it's some window 87. The anthology of Monsters Inc. Bro, what you think? All that poppin' made you think shit sweet? Well, here's a hint. All that poppin' got you up shit's quick. Ain't that a bitch? Now your mouth got a balance so wide. Homie, oh my. Ain't no kumbaya. Ain't no plea for life. Here's the end. Before I get to the credits, now forget it. He made his peace when he got too big for his britches.
Beware of this monster, Mom warned ya. There's no coming back once it got ya. The weapon on earth can stop them. Feel all the wrath of his heart. Beware of this monster, Mom warned ya. There's no coming back once it got ya. The weapon on earth can stop them.